In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best Pizza Hut promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, for example. Then go to google.com and in the search box enter Pizza Hut promo code. It brings you to that page where it shows up different sites that contains promo code. You can open up any of that site and see what promo code it offers. As you can see, here are 15 promo codes on that page. You can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best promo codes are on the first position. So here I got the promo code that offers 25% of any menu price pizza, and I can hit there add more details to get some extra information, and also I can hit add show coupon to see the coupon. It's just PO letters. You can hit on that icon to copy that promo code to your clipboard, and you can also hit add get coupon to go to pizzahut.com and make there an order. And once you are ready to pay money, don't forget to use that promo code and double check if that promo code was applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back and test another promo code from here. You can enter it, copy it and paste on that website to use 20% off, like in that case. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.